So, an operating lease is similar to a finance lease, but there is a key difference. The client rents the asset only while they need the asset. The key difference here is that the operating lease is only for parts of the asset's life, if you like. So that means the client pays a reduced rent. Now that reduced rent is based on the difference between the asset's original purchase price and the residual value of that asset at the end of the agreement. So the benefits of operating lease are very similar to that of other types of leasing. They include improved cash flow, improved working capital, there are tax advantages, and yes, of course, there's a high acceptance of applications between 24 and 48 hours.